when it comes to the house prices in our city, where are the fastest growing areas of the CBD? We actually have some new data about Sydney suburbs that have been booming over the last 12 months and where you can actually still get a foothold in the real estate market. You might be a little bit more picky about where you need to buy. Scott Kuru is from Freedom Property Investors and joins us. G'day, Scott.
Clinton, g'day.
Is it still possible to buy a home for less than $1 million in Sydney?
I'm going to say yes and no. Technically, yes. There's 3 suburbs there at the moment below $1 million. That's Miller. I actually grew up in Miller and the Housing Commission areas out there.
Yep.
You've also got St Mary's and Tregear. Now, traditionally, these haven't been like the most desirable suburbs, but pretty much if you want a block of land and a traditional home, you got a budget under $1 million. These are the only places that you can go. But if you go back a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, the list was like 15 long, 25 long. It's down to 3 now. So we'll get over that $1 million mark. Like those 3 suburbs, give it 3-6 months, they'll all be over $1 million as well.
So that's a freestanding house, not an apartment.
Yeah, that's a freestanding home, traditional home. They're older homes, but they are big blocks. But if you can get in there, those are the last places remaining in the Sydney Basin.
Is there investment value in buying an older house on a block like that? Do you need to be thinking about whether that's potentially going to have redevelopment potential?
Yeah, 2 things. The only reason you'd buy it if there was a redevelopment potential, but that can be very up in the air. The rules are very unclear. You've got neighbours and development applications, so mum and dad investors should be very weary of that. Leave that to the professionals. But as a mum and dad investor, say just getting one home, well, you're buying a 40, 50, 60-year-old home.
Yeah.
A lot of these places in there, the roofs, you need $50,000, $60,000, $100,000 just to renovate them. And then the rental yields are not that strong. So I would rule it out for an investment purpose.